ROKREZ Pro Industrial Floor Coating, the do-it-yourselfable floor coating solution for hardcore residential and commercial surface protection with style. ROKREZ Pro is a uniquely formulated 100% solids, two-component, high-build epoxy. Use it on garage floors, shops, offices, schools, hangars, and laboratories for that extra bit of oomph against the elements. ROKREZ Pro comes in gray, steel gray, tan, and clear colors. It's high gloss, self-priming, and can be used in conjunction with our slip-resistant additive, decorative chip, and metallic additive for a distinct look and space-specific protection. Plus, it's self-leveling and has a longer working time than your average floor coating, so you can make mistakes and still have time to fix them. And just like that, you've got showroom quality floors with industry-leading durability, chemical abrasion, and impact resistance that can stand up to the pros. Protect and preserve with ROKREZ Pro Industrial Coating from Cimarron.